How to send disappearing messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. The Messages app is your primary hub for sending and receiving iMessages and standard SMS texts. Once inside, select and open any conversation. In the chat screen, type your message in the text field at the bottom as you normally would. After typing, tap and hold the send arrow, and then select the invisible ink option. Then, tap on the send button again. The message will appear blurred until the recipient taps on it to reveal it. This way, you get more control over your device on how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily send disappearing messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.